Guys, before we start, please make sure you stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make when checking fuses, relays that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you having a Volkswagen Tiguan 4th generation. If you need to find where the AC compressor clutch, also known as air conditioner clutch, fuses and relays are located, guys, we'll explain that in this video today. Please guys, do not waste any money on parts, tools, diagnostics until you watch that video. It could be quite simple fix. We'll talk about that. Then if you cannot fix it, we'll explain what else can cause your air conditioner not to work. And guys, if you need to buy replacement parts and tools, we will guys share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out guys, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Before we start guys, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, fuses, relays, all that stuff. Now guys, that generation Volkswagen Tiguan will have many hidden fuses. Fuse boxes, different fuses, mega fuses, relays that are not accessible. That's why guys, we made one special video that's called Volkswagen Tiguan Fuse Box Location and Diagram video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Check it out, it will be on our website. Now guys, we will be making video about every single fuse, every single relay in that car. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to find where your fuel pump fuse is located. All you have to do, come to the channel, watch for a minute or two, replace the fuse, you're back on the road. Our mission is to save you money guys. That's why we made more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Oh, and by the way guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts and tools, check out, we'll share the links in the description of the video below guys, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. So for the AC clutch, AC compressor clutch, fuses, relays, we'll be working in multiple fuse boxes. Some will be hidden, and we'll have relays that are extremely hidden. So it's very important to stay until the end guys, because it could be simple fix, but it could be something that most people don't even know. This is the main fuse box, super easy to get to. You just slide these things to the front and you open it. Underneath you have a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, now let's talk about common mistakes people make. When people see a fuse, okay, let's say they pull a fuse and they try to check it out, okay. They look at that fuse, okay, and they assume, okay, it's good, it's bad, but sometimes you cannot clearly tell if a fuse is good or bad. And you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, you start wasting money on parts, tools, diagnostics, module, and you go to repair shops for something that could have been quite easy fixed, such as a bad fuse. So always test your fuses, quite easy guys. By the way, if you want to see, we have a special video on the channel how to test a fuse, but it's quite simple and often, okay, you can actually even test fuses without removing them to figure out guys, okay, if these fuses are good or bad. For instance, mega fuses, there is no way that you can check if the fuse is good or bad. The only way is to test them guys, to find out, okay, if these fuses are good or bad as well. Very important. Now if you want to see how to test a fuse, detailed video how to test a relay, we have special videos about that, and we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Guys, in this fuse box, this is for the facelifted version 2012 to 2017. The first relay we need to check is relay number 10. The numbers, well, give me a second, 5, 6, 9, 10, right here. Excuse me, fuse relay, fuse number 10 right here. Those are also known as relay fuses, but it's practically a regular fuse. Number 10 is right here. The number will be printed next to the fuse. Then we need to check some models. Okay, we'll have fuse number 21. Okay, depending on the model, you may have that fuse there as well. Now, if you have 2008 to 2011, things will differ a little bit. You wonder how? Well, check this thing out here. You have that kind of fuse box. It's completely different. And here specifically, we'll need to check fuse number 11, and then you need to check fuse number 15. That 10M fuse that we have, okay, right there as well. Guys, we're not done. Let us show you what we have here specifically. We need to come to the inside of the car now. And inside, okay, I want to show you, okay, what we have here specifically, okay. So here specifically guys, if we come to the driver's side, we have a special video about fuse box location. Check it out, it will teach you about that. You need to get to that interior fuse box here, and guys, here we'll have quite a few more fuses, okay, that we need to check, and we have some hidden relays there as well. You wonder where they're located. If you come in that row now here, that's fuse number, okay, that's fuse number 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So you need to check fuse number 13, 14 and 15. These fuses here will need to be checked, these 3 fuses. But we're not done. We need to check fuse number 20, 20 and 23, so that's 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 20, 23. Right here will need to be checked as well. 20, 23, then we need to check fuse number 25, which is right here. We need to check fuse number 28, so 26, 27, 28. Some people may have, okay, that fuse right here as well. We don't. Next, you may need to check fuse number 51. So 51, the numbers will be next to it. It's that 40 amp fuse, quite important fuse right there. Guys, okay, we still have more to go. You have hidden relays. You wonder where? Okay, those are these relays right here that are easier to get to, okay, but okay, you have some hidden one behind the dash, okay, right there, or some of you may have some on top right here. Let's go back to the computer. I want to show you now there what we need to check, because we took pictures of the hidden relays. Otherwise we cannot feed the camera and we cannot show you clearly, okay, what we have there. So here, guys, the relay box that we had right here, as you can see, that's the one that we had. Depending on the year and the model, things may differ here specifically, but the first relay that you may need to check, guys, okay, will be known as R1. You may need to check that one. You may have or may not have it. Now, don't freak out. The hidden relays behind the dash look like this one, okay, and the diagram, okay, will look like this. So specifically here, what we need to check, guys, okay, we will need to check 2 relays. One of them is R1 and you need to check R4. These 2 relays will be for the AC, heating, ventilation, blower, motor, fan as well. Those are some very important components that you always need to, guys, check. As you saw, guys, okay, this Volkswagen Tiguan has all kind of different fuses, mega fuses, standard fuses, mini fuses inside the car. You have different relays, mega fuse packs, all that stuff. If you want to see where you can buy replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, guys, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out. Our mission in the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, guys, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. We'll have video about every single fuse relay in that car. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.